Today, I'm going to show you how to update your cPanel passwords in your WHM reseller. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to navigate to your WHM reseller. From here, you can either use the list accounts under the favorites, or you can search for list accounts in the search tools. In this case, I'll just use the list accounts under the favorites, and then I'll be able to see the accounts that have been created. So from here, you click on the plus next to the account that you want to update the password for, and it'll give you more options. From here, you can change the quota, which is the disk quota of the account or the plan that you have assigned to the account if you have multiple plans, or even terminate the account if needed. Further, you can suspend the account or change the password. In this case, we will be changing the password. So from here, you can either generate a new password using a secure password generator, or you can enter a custom password. In this case, I'm just going to enter a custom password and then click on Change. And using this method, the password has now been changed successfully for the cPanel account. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe icons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting.